Ultrasound machines have various ways to present the information to you, the so-called modes. But what are they, and what do they show? This is how the various modes of ultrasound look like. And we can, for instance, distinguish the A mode, the B mode, the M mode, and the Doppler mode. I will now present to you the A, B, and M modes, and the Doppler mode will be presented in another video. First of all, the A mode, which is the simplest way to present ultrasound. Basically, the A mode is the ultrasound amplitude collected along a line in the tissue, and it looks like this. So it shows information of a reflection of ultrasound coming back from the tissue as a function of time or depth. A mode comes from the A in amplitude. It provides you information only in one dimension, and for that reason it's hardly used anymore in ultrasound imaging. The next mode is the B mode, which is basically a number of A mode scans placed next to each other as grayscale values. The name B mode comes from the fact that we see the brightness. It provides you two-dimensional information. And the B mode image is the most frequently used way to present ultrasound images. A special type of ultrasound image is one in which in one direction we see the time, and in the other direction we see the depth along a line. So if we start with the B mode movie and we draw a certain line in it, and then for each frame we plot the A scan along that line as a function of time, this is the result. So in a plot like this, we can see the movement of the various interfaces along the selected line, hence the name movement mode. So there is a rich variety of visualizing ultrasound data, of which the B mode is the most important one. These many modes will allow you to get as much information as possible out of your ultrasound scan.